progress. Finally transferred. That's the Honeycrisp apple. And so far, my other one is still okay. And some of the vegetables are growing already. At least some are staying alive. And then the roses spreading out some stems. Of course, my peas. They're getting bigger now. And the flowers are also getting bigger, and the vegetables. Mix lots of stuff in there. Next would be one of these. That's gonna go to the pot. I think maybe this one will go to the pot. And this one in the ground. And then of course, the avocado is gonna go to the pot also. And I already got to eat my vegetable. I made some sinigang out of these leaves. The mustard green, mustasa. And soon I'll be cooking this one too. Bok choy or pad chai. I'll have to find something to cook. And of course, so far, my blood orange is staying happy. Look how beautiful the leaves is. Green. My God. Excited. The bees are enjoying the pollen of the flower, my squash flower. Once they're done, I'm gonna be picking them and cook them.